MetaMask, what is it and how to use it? Well, my guess is you already own some crypto, maybe Bitcoin, ETH, maybe some XRP, or maybe just some Dogecoin. Well, you probably also then heard about Uniswap and then came across MetaMask. And what is MetaMask? Well, MetaMask is your gateway. It's the key to stake, to farm, and to get access to all those pre-ICOs. So if this is what you're looking for, let's get into how to use MetaMask. So the first thing that you do is that you go to metamask.io and be careful that you don't go to any other sites. There are lots of scam. But anyway, since this is the first time probably that you will download it, then nobody can scam you because you don't have a seed phrase yet. So you go to download. Now remember, it's an extension. I'm gonna do it here. It's for Chrome. So you say install MetaMask for Chrome. Takes you to the Chrome web store and you add. Now remember, it's an extension. Add extension. And there you go. It will take you right to welcome to MetaMask. So what you do is that it will ask you connecting to Ethereum and the decentralized web. Happy to see you. Happy to see you too. Let's get started. So it's going to ask you two questions. Do you already have a seed phrase? That would mean that you already had an existing MetaMask. We will assume that you do not. So we will create a new wallet. Then it's going to ask you to do a few things. Gather usage you want to know. I agree. Now come up with a password. We're going to use the password MetaMask 2021. Now, this is the most important thing. It's going to ask you or it's going to provide you with the secret backup phrase. Now, backup phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account. Never disclose your backup phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your ETH forever. Now, I myself found it always so annoying, so difficult. What are they talking about? The seed phrase, and forget it. So the only way that I can kind of like explain it in layman terms is you're going to get 12 words. Imagine that these 12 words are 12 keys. Imagine that your wallet is your home and your entrance door has 12 locks. And you need all 12 keys in order to open up that door. Now, if you do not have all 12 keys, you will not be able to open up Sesame. These keywords are going to be given to us from MetaMask. So click here to reveal the secret words. There you go. You got them all. Negative, rich, divert, sentence, blossom, accident, include, meadow, segment, enable, Tom, Walt. Copy. Now it's very important that you write down those seed phrases, those words, because those 12 words are your keys to your wallet. Everyone's going to say it's so important, so important. It is. You lose them, no access to your wallet anymore. Now it's going to ask you to confirm your secret backup phrase in the order that we got them. Rich, divert, sentence, blossom, accident, include, meadow, segment, enable, Tom, Walt. Now you press confirm. You have put in the words in the correct order. Congratulations, you passed the test. Now it's important that you keep your seed phrase safe. Not like me sharing it with you, but that's my responsibility. All done. Now, token swapping is here. So what can you actually do? You can now swap tokens directly in your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask Swaps combines multiple decentralized exchange, aggregators, professional market makers, and individual DEXs to ensure MetaMask users always get the best price with the lowest network fees. So here you can see where you need your MetaMask, and basically every new token on the Ethereum blockchain, and also now you can use it on Binance, will need MetaMask. But we will start swapping. Now here's the funny thing. We don't have any ETH, and Ethereum is a utility token. So in order even to make a transaction, in order to make a swap, remember, you pay for that, right? It's like the gas fee, and gas fee is like for a car. So you can even, you can imagine that in order to get a transaction from A to B on the blockchain, it's like, they have to, they kind of like have a way to travel. They need gas for that. So if we don't have any gas or any gas money, we can't swap nothing. So the first thing that we need to do is to get ETH on our MetaMask account. Here you can then see your interface. You can see account 1, that is your account. Now you can transfer ETH to this account as you need. Now I have just sent 1 ETH to this account. As you can see, it's right here. So now we have 1 ETH, and we can do whatever with whatever we want with that. But I guess now that you have ETH on your wallet, on your MetaMask, now let's just check it out when we go to Uniswap. In case you're new here, you go to uniswap.org, then you want to go use Uniswap up here. And now it's going to ask you to connect to the wallet. You will connect it to MetaMask. It will ask you to confirm. It will ask you if it's okay that Uniswap can view the addresses of your permitted accounts. Yes, you connected. That's some legal terminology. Everybody has accepted that. You are now connected to Uniswap. You can see that your balance here is 1. Now, in case you want to buy something, let's say you want to buy some sweet Uni, the Uniswap token, put in Uni, you can put it here. Then it will ask you how much you want to buy from that 1 Ethereum. Let's say you want to buy 1. You want to buy worth of 1 Ethereum. This will not be enough because they will need money for gas. So do 0.5. Then it will quote you that estimated you can get 41 Uni tokens. If you press swap, you will then see that you get them. But this is not for this video. As you can see, I am back in the MetaMask interface. I still have the 1 ETH because I did not buy any Uni. And now let's get to the end. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it could help you. I hope it was beneficial. And before we end, in case you liked it, please hit like, smash, subscribe. And by the way, I did leave the seed phrase open. You can actually try now to download the MetaMask with that seed phrase, and you will be able to see maybe there's a ETH waiting for you. If not, you will at least be able to see the transactions that have been made on this MetaMask wallet. I wish you well. Hope to see you soon. Take care.